Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we're going to tackle a problem that many of us face when using VMware Workstation Pro. So, the issue we're looking at here is all about the stability of virtual machines in different states like powered off, suspended, and going on. It's a real head-scratcher, right? Now, let's delve into the solution for this problem. In the world of virtual machines, some hardware can be added while the VM is powered on, but only if the guest OS supports hot plug operations for those devices. Essentially, the VM needs to be running to initiate a hot plug event and query VMware tools to check if hot plugging is allowed. But remember, modifying a VM while it's suspended is a big no-no. It can seriously mess with the virtual hardware and cause all sorts of chaos for the guest OS. In conclusion, when it comes to virtual machines, stability is key. Always be mindful of the state your VM is in before trying to add any hardware. And with that, we've reached the end of this video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a witty comment below. Thanks for watching, and until next time.